To get an SEMrush API key, you need to have an account with SEMrush, a leading digital marketing tool. If you don't have an account, sign up for one by going to the SEMrush website and following the registration process. Once you have an account, log into your SEMrush dashboard. After logging in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Then select My Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings page. On this page, scroll down to the API Access section. If you don't see this section, make sure you have a paid subscription with SEMrush, as the API is only available to paid users. In the API Access section, click on the Create API Key button. You will then be prompted to enter a name for your API key. This can be anything that helps you identify the key, such as the name of your project or application. Enter a name and click Create. Your API key will then be generated and displayed on the page. You can copy and use this key to access the SEMrush API. Be sure to keep your API key secure, as it grants access to your SEMrush account and data. You can also regenerate your API key if it is compromised or if you want to change it for any reason. It is also important to note that the SEMrush API has usage limits and requires a paid subscription to access. Be sure to review the SEMrush API documentation and terms of service to understand how to use the API and what data is available. By following these steps, you can get an SEMrush API key and start using it to access SEMrush data and build your own applications.